Hello everybody, welcome to my channel Hacked Security. Hope you guys are good. In this video, we study about what is hacking and types of hacker. Let's start with introduction to hacking. Hacking is the act of identifying and then exploiting weakness in computer system or networks, usually to gain unauthorized access. We can simply say that the main aim of hacking is to compromise the security of a system in order to gain access into it. Ethical hackers are also known as information security expert or cyber security analyst. Now let's see about the types of hackers. There are mainly three types of hackers: black hat hackers, white hat hackers, and grey hat hackers. Let's start with black hat hackers. Black hat hackers are often called crackers. They can gain the unauthorized access of your system and destroy your vital data. They are considered to be as criminals and can be easily identified because of their malicious action. It means we can say that those hackers who works offensively means they believe in breaking the security without any permission of authority or government. It's called a black hat hackers. Now let's see about a white hat hackers. White hat hackers are the one who is authorized or certified hackers who works for the government and organization by performing penetration testing and identifying loopholes in the cyber security. They also protect from malicious cyber crimes. White hat hackers works under the rules and regulation provided by the government. That's why they are called ethical hackers. In short, we can say those hackers who works defensively are called white hat hackers. They perform hacking and security checks with authority. They are known for security. They are called white hat hackers. Now we talk about the grey hat hackers. Grey hat hackers fall somewhere in the category between black hat and white hat hackers. They cannot legally authorize hackers. They work with both good and bad intention. They can use their skills for personal gains. It all depends upon the hacker. We can say those hackers who is like coin, two-sided. They work for both offensive and defensive work, generally benefit oriented. This is all about this topic. Hope you guys understand and enjoy this topic. Till then, bye. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe my channel.